Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Nazran bin Matsamat. My number metric is BB231100087. AI is a threat to intellectual property right. AI is widely used in areas such as writing, design, music, and technology, but it also poses a threat to intellectual property protection. AI can imitate existing work without permission, in increasing the risk of copyright infringement and plagiarism. Furthermore, unclear ownership of AI-generated content weakens the protection of character, right, and the value of original works. Therefore, stronger law and ethical guidelines are needed to protect intellectual property in digital era.